Hello friends, in this video we are going to write and learn 10 lines easy speech on importance of teachers. Line number 1, good morning everyone. Line number 2, respected principal, teachers and my dear friends. Line number 3, today I would like to speak about the importance of teachers. Line number 4, teachers are the guiding lights of our lives. Line number 5, they give us knowledge, values and discipline. Line number 6, they help us discover our talents and build confidence. Line number 7, they inspire us to work hard and achieve our goals. Line number 8, their guidance helps us become good and responsible citizens. Line number 9, we should always respect, obey and thank our teachers. Line number 10, thank you for your kind attention.